Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just got this in today. It is the iPad Pro 5th Gen. It is the Wi-Fi and Cellular Edition, and I'm going to be doing the unboxing for you. So obviously, as you can see on the side, it says iPad, the Apple logo, the other side, iPad Pro, top again, Apple logo with the little pull tab over here to open it up. The front of the box, which is really quite big. The back of the box with, of course, some information on it, which I don't want you to see for obvious reasons. So let's get it unboxed, and we're going to pull on the little pull tab here and get it ready. Just peel away. Actually comes off pretty good. I am a fan of Apple's new packing, the way that they make it easier for you to get the cellophane off instead of having to always use a knife. So thank you, Apple, to that. I also do want to give a shout out to the young man that did help me out. His name was Kyle. He was very helpful, and he did want to subscribe to the channel. So Kyle, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. And let's get this up. Okay. On the inside of the box, there is no padding or anything like that. And we'll put that to the side for a moment while we take a look at the rest of the stuff. There's the iPad. It is just one big piece of glass. It is very, very smooth, very, very nice. You have the volume rockers there on the side with the little connection port right there for the Apple Pencil. And just over here, that is for the SIM card if you are planning on putting one in. Bottom down here with the Lightning. No, I'm sorry, Lightning is gone. It is now USB Type-C. The other side, there's nothing. And on the top, there is the power sleep wake button. The back side, there is that ultra wide camera. It says iPad at the bottom. And that's it for there. We're going to put the iPad to the side for a moment while we take a look and see what else is in the box. So just put that there for a moment. Designed by Apple in California. Obviously assembled in China. And in here we have, it says iPad Pro. It says it twice. So obviously one must be French, one is English. Being in Canada, that's how they come. Regulatory information. A SIM eject tool. And it shows you how to take it out in case this is your first iPad and you've never done that before. Is there anything else in here? There it is. There are 2 frosted Apple stickers. And I believe that is it. There's nothing else in there. Putting this aside for a moment, we have the power brick. I believe it is the same power brick that you could purchase. I believe it's the 20-watt adapter power brick. And the USB Type-C to USB Type-C charge cable for the iPad Pro. So that is it for what's in the box. I'm just going to put these away real quick, and then we're going to unbox. Sorry, we're going to take the iPad out of its sleeve, little protective cover, and show you what it looks like. We'll even do a first boot and get it set up and ready to go. You know what? We'll worry about that later because you're not here to see that get put away. You're here to see the actual device. So let's do that. Okay. Little tab here. And just peel. There it is. I'll slide it out. The worst thing that could happen right now is I drop it, so maybe we should put it down for a moment. There we are. This is going to be a big, huge fingerprint magnet, and I'm fine with that. So we're just going to boot it up. We got the Apple logo, and we're going to let that load up. While it's doing that, I'm just going to put that right there real quick. Kind of, sort of keep it lined up, and it's good to go. And there we are. We have it. Hello. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the unboxing of the new iPad Pro. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.